McCain admits Washington is broken, and he's the one who broke it.
And on the most important issues of our day, I am totally in agreement and support of President Bush.
He's been a Washington insider for decades, working for big corporations.
There have been times when I have probably been influenced. The big donor buys access to my office, and we know that access is influence.
With a presidential campaign run by corporate lobbyists.
Their campaign is run by two of the biggest lobbyists in Washington.
Look, lobbyists are good people, are decent people.
And on top of it all, who can you thank for 8 years of George Bush?
I campaigned everywhere in America for him. I campaigned with him. I did everything I could to get him elected.